Repeat after me. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Pool billiard balls are in the box. Pool billiard balls are in the box. Big Bird is flying above the tree. Big Bird is flying above the tree. The pencil is beside the notebook. The pencil is beside the notebook. Red car is in front of the house. Red car is in front of the house. That dog is behind the fence. The dog is behind the fence. Pictures are hanging above the sofa. Pictures are hanging above the sofa. The shoes are inside the closet. The shoes are inside the closet. The keys are on the hooks. The keys are on the hooks. The cup is next to the saucer. The cup is next to the saucer. The ball rolled behind the net. The ball rolled behind the net. The girl is between two bookshelves. The girl is between two bookshelves. The plane is soaring over the clouds. The plane is soaring over the clouds. The cat jumped onto the bed. The cat jumped onto the bed. The ball flew toward the goal. The ball flew toward the goal. The pen is inside the pencil case. The pen is inside the pencil case. The spoon is resting in the drawer. The spoon is resting in the drawer. The hat is atop the coat rack. The hat is atop the coat rack. The dog is running toward the park. The dog is running toward the park. The flower is in the vase. The flower is in the vase. The picture is on the wall. The picture is on the wall. The ball is beneath the paddle. The ball is beneath the paddle. The bird is perched on the branch. The bird is perched on the branch. Cookies are inside the jar. Cookies are inside the jar. Trees are near the river. Trees are near the river. The car is parked beside the curb. The car is parked beside the curb. The butterfly is fluttering amid the flowers. The butterfly is fluttering amid the flowers. The train is pulling into the station. The train is pulling into the station. The keys are in my pocket. The keys are in my pocket. The cat is hiding inside the box. The cat is hiding inside the box. The ladder is leaning against the wall. The ladder is leaning against the wall. The ball is outside the garden. The ball is outside the garden. The cup is resting on the saucer. The cup is resting on the saucer. The ball rolled below the stairs. The ball rolled below the stairs. The bird is flying alongside the airplane. The bird is flying alongside the airplane. The shoes are on the mat. The shoes are on the mat. The dog is inside the kennel. The dog is inside the kennel. The picture is above the fireplace. The picture is above the fireplace. The hat is hanging from the hook. The hat is hanging from the hook. The car is driving through the tunnel. The car is driving through the tunnel. The boat is sailing across the lake. The boat is sailing across the lake. The keys are under the pillow. The keys are under the pillow. The cup is in my hand. The cup is in my hand.